First fish I've caught on the soft bait, the little cod. I'll throw him back, throw him back of course. Yeah, it's quite amazing. I've got a cod on a softie. But this is at where I stayed last night. This is the mouth of the creek right near Injinoo. It's right on the beachfront where the boat ramp is. It's the boat ramp there. It's not high tide and it's suboptimal time to be fishing, but I saw kids fishing off those rocks there yesterday, all day, low tide even, and they were walking right across to the sandbank there. So they were locals. I stayed up here last night, and I might stay again tonight, see what happens. But yeah, that was this fish. Fourth cast, so I'll keep casting, see what I get.